today I've got another product for you guys, and this product is this rose print latex vest waist straightener. Look at it. This is a rose print. It's so pretty, right? It's all roses. It's really trendy, by the way. We have a lot of demand for this print. We have it in different other designs as well. But today I'm here to show you this vest one. And this is a latex waist straightener. So like all the others, it has 3 layers: nylon, latex, and cotton. So it has 3 layers. So this also has 9 flexible stay bones that help support your back, as well as helps the waist straightener from being damaged, so make it long lasting. Okay, so that's the main benefit of the steel bones. And this waist straightener also has 3 rows of double stitch hooks. You can see it has double stitch hooks, so it's larger, it's stronger, it's really hard to break. And another thing is, this is a vest waist straightener. You can see it's vest. So this vest waist strainers usually help you hide the back fat and the side boobs we don't want. When we usually wear the normal waist strainers, you're going to have that extra back fat that's going to bulge out of the waist strainer, because while wearing a waist strainer, it's pushing your fat either to the top or to the bottom. So it's really common to have back fat, but if you don't want it, then this is the waist strainer to hide it for you guys. Also, this waist strainer, you can see it has adjustable straps. It has adjustable shoulder straps, so if you want to push it down or if you wanted to pull it up, you can adjust it to your size however you want to. Okay, and this waist strainer, we have different sizes for it. We have sizes from 3 extra small to 6, 7 extra large. Depends on what you want. We can even offer a lot of other plus size options. You just let us know, contact us if you're interested. And another thing is local printing. If you want to print your logos, you can print it right here. We use the heat transfer method. There is also the silk stitching method, but we usually recommend the heat transfer because the MOQ is lower and it's really cheaper. But the silk stitching method, you're going to stitch your logos on it, so imagine it's going to last forever. Okay, so it depends on what you want. Again, I'm going to say it's how you prefer it. To just contact us. For private labels and private tags, it's one price for 1,000 pieces. So let us know. As well as for packaging, it's one price for 1,000 pieces. It's really easier that way. So you let us know if you want it. So let me just wear this real quick and you're going to see what it looks like. Isn't it pretty? And look how snatched my waist is. So this is the best waist strainer, and you just sew this adjustable straps. It's really convenient. You can adjust it to your size and it's not going to come out. And it looks like a bra strap. It looks like a bra strap, so even if it shows while you're wearing it, it doesn't matter. It looks like a bra strap, so it's really easier. You can wear it under your clothes. You can hide the back fat and mold your waist. You can do that really sexy look. So this is the waist strainer for today. You can see it's really pretty. This rose print, it's really trending, it's really famous. You can find it on our website, or you can DM us and we'll send you more details. Especially if you want to customize it in any way, you DM us on our Instagram page. I'll leave the link on the description box and you can check it out. Okay, so that's what I have for you guys today. If you're interested in this, you can contact us, or if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, or even contact us again. So make sure to give us a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you guys next time with more videos. Okay,